Ya Ali Madad. Welcome to the May edition of the Ismaili Update. My name is Natasha, coming to you from London, UK, and I'm excited to be your host today. The most exciting news of the month was just announced. At the invitation of the President of the French Republic, Emmanuel Macron, Maulana Hazar Imam has informed the Jamaat that he will make an official visit to France from the 11th to the 13th of July 2025. During his visit, he will meet with the Jamaat under the jurisdiction of the Council for France. This will be his first Jamaati visit as our 50th Hazar Imam. In order to be able to focus his attention on the Jamaat in this jurisdiction, Hazar Imam does not wish members of the Jamaats from other countries to travel to France during his visit. Mubaraki on this wonderful news. Maulana Hazar Imam visited Qatar this month to strengthen collaboration in global development and culture. Accompanied by Prince Ali Mohammed, Maulana Hazar Imam met with His Highness Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, Emir of the State of Qatar, His Excellency Sheikh Mohammed bin Abdul Rahman bin Jassim Al Thani, Prime Minister, Her Excellency Sheikh Al Mayasa bin Hamad Al Thani, Chairperson of Qatar Museums, and His Excellency Sheikh Thani bin Hamad Al Thani, Chairperson of Qatar Fund for Development. 2 agreements were signed during the visit: a memorandum of understanding between the Aga Khan Development Network and the Qatar Fund for Development, and a collaboration agreement between the Aga Khan Trust for Culture and the Qatar Museums. Prince Amin visited Houston, USA to attend the Aga Khan Museum's 10th anniversary gala and review progress on construction of the Ismaili Center, Houston. The gala was attended by supporters of the museum and invited guests, including Houston Mayor John Whitmire. Prince Amin also visited the Ismaili Center in the heart of Houston. He was pleased to note the center's progress towards completion, expected later this year. More details on his visit are available at the.ismaili. This month, Focused on Nature opened the latest exhibition of the Living Sea in Milan, featuring the photography of Prince Hussein. After the opening of the Living Sea, Prince Hussein met nearly 100 students from College San Carlo. He led a tour of the exhibition, as well as a panel discussion about the exhibition and the importance of protecting the biodiversity of our seas. Congratulations to Sirbaz Khan, who made history this month by summiting Mount Kanchenjunga in Nepal without bottled oxygen. He is now the first Pakistani to climb all 14 of the world's highest peaks, known as 8,000ers, without oxygen support. Maulana Hazar Imam sent a letter of congratulation and admiration for the accomplishment. Check out the.ismaili for excerpts of the letter and to learn more about Sirbaz's journey. New episodes of Forged Eyes and Muslim Footprints were released on the Ismaili TV earlier this month. We also released a discussion from the Ismaili Center UK, where Beth Nolan visited the Jamaat to discuss dementia and how to transform the experience of those living with dementia. In case you missed it, the Ismaili TV also live-streamed graduation ceremonies from Aga Khan schools in Nairobi, Dhaka, Hyderabad and Mombasa. Congratulations to all graduates of Aga Khan schools and others celebrating the milestone around the world. This year marks the 120th anniversary of Aga Khan schools. The first Aga Khan schools were founded by Maulana Sultan Muhammad Shah, starting as early as 1905 to create educational opportunities for marginalized communities in colonial settings. Today, they provide high-quality academic instruction in more than a dozen countries and foster ethical leadership among students. The Global Encounters Festival is just around the corner, with less than 2 months to go. Don't forget to join over 15,000 other Ismailis from around the world, dedicated to creating a more sustainable future by visiting gefestival.ismaili, signing the Sustainability Pledge ahead of the festival. News roadshows have continued all around the world, with stops in Canada, Angola, Bangladesh, China, Iran, Ivory Coast, Japan, New Zealand, Pakistan, Philippines, Russia and Singapore. It has been my pleasure to be your host today. Thank you and Yali Madat.